creating and editing a group on SoniCloud. From your dashboard, you're going to click the Navigate tab. You're going to go to the Settings page. You'll need to come to this Users, Groups, and Views section. Click on Group Settings. At the top, you can create a group. You can put in your group name. You can add a description. And you can choose your users to be in that group. Once you've selected your users for that group, you hit Save Changes, and it will then add that group to your Groups page. To edit an existing group, you will just click into the group. You can adjust the name and the description. You can take users out of the group, and you can also use the drop-down to add users back to the group. Once you have adjusted all of your group information here, you can then hit Save Changes, and it will save the changes to that group you created.